Is your GM vehicle's sound system not delivering the crisp, clear audio it once did? Imagine bringing your music back to life with speakers designed specifically for your car. ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers promise just that, restoring your audio to the quality you deserve without compromise. These speakers aren't just replacements. They're GM recommended parts engineered to meet the exact specifications of your vehicle's original factory components. What does that mean for you? A perfect fit, seamless installation, and sound performance that matches the durability and reliability you expect from General Motors. Each speaker converts electrical signals into mechanical energy, moving air precisely to produce rich, balanced sound. Thanks to the permanent magnet and electromagnet working in harmony, your music will sound as vibrant as it did the day your vehicle rolled off the lot. One satisfied owner shared how the ACDelco speaker was a perfect match for their 1996 GMC truck after the original was damaged. That's the kind of confidence you get when you choose genuine GM parts. No guesswork, no settling for less. Whether you're restoring an older model or upgrading your current setup, these speakers deliver consistent, long-lasting performance that keeps your music front and center. If you're ready to hear your favorite songs with clarity and depth again, ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers are worth a look. They combine the trusted quality of GM with straightforward installation and dependable sound. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your ride's audio experience without the hassle. Don't let worn-out speakers hold back your music. Restore the sound quality of your GM vehicle with ACDelco's factory-recommended speakers, engineered for perfect fit, form, and function. Bring back the full, dynamic sound you remember and enjoy every drive like it's a concert on wheels.